enti enra ana Ghana ha enyansafo nyina adamfo ene enkwasiafo nyina atamfo Okatakyie Afrifa mensa bonsu bema by the man of the moment obi addressing Ghana for no with the state of the nation address after a very long time break on say na oma interest bi so bi ko no ni abre or twano law school ne so ewo USA na enra no eno oba life bi na busia oba ye no on the state attorney general Dr. Dominica Kurutinga ayini on the 10 time pa Afrifa be exposé attorney general big time mema nchiremu no akire wadwen amame ewo comment section how you Penyah block media mess was any demo obe like video na da ma subscribe button snap da be click notification icon for latest update na be kire wadwen de amame ewo comment section so baso no ahye first anya bi ahye na me ka mo say Christmas no aduru abutuafo da bia me ne mote ha Penyah na me tiamu na me ye dede no maso so light na edamani na ifra mani wade ase monya madoye Christmas aduru ai monya madoye me se mo adofo pa me wa adofo a mo dom me me number ne gusu me di ne gu ase Penyah Enoch ene beba won send bra abrechire for no mo twa me coins na ja me fantonsu bi no mbronya. Let's go to the story. Obeke aye last week nimo ana the state attorney general Dr. Dominica Kurutinga ayene obi addressing Ghana for no with the issue of Abutrika ene Ken Ofori Atta on say ebase abechi Abutrika ede ne ko aninyan say wa fraud US nationals be to the sum of $8 million USA choppable dollars. It's no FBI for a reputation every Ghana, NACOC, CID, just say security agencies of this country, no FBI for the petition by how much they say they want to come and extradite Abutrika and then call US no face trial any other. So they came with an issue of what indictment, case of indictment with extradition, application. And no, Anna, the state attorney general, every address here because I Ghana phone every officer adentina yetiha na FBI for Timbabachi Abutrika identical. Now, so in this for back at Ken Ofori Atta do man can work or USA, but moving fanema. No way I say near Betty and Simbi. Enti lawyer Penyah for Mahama, attorney general, Dr. Ayeni, ever children semo. Then the case was Munya Abutre. No, go Penyah. Ni yemu ananka ya de Abutrika no nanga Ken Ofori Atta eba be shine nanka a balance I draw but asem nya sanet here Ken Ofori Atta enya sika ahan lawyers e wo USA as enya lawyer keke top lawyers e wo USA ye ko USA ho no mo a omo ya omu ne mmara we dare mmara ko adomusuko a omu tie hye omo suya mmara omu ya bodam omo suya mmara ama US ho no no omadi asem bebrebe awene eti obo mo say yeah bond lawyer we say yeah wonya lawyer ketua emu miensa ana the state emu miensa ana Ken Ofori Atta enye sika ari akwa han eti na kwa say now no eye attorney general versus top 3 USA lawyers. Now this issue now and some way now the state attorney general ebe kan no eno ana eno Afrifa eba life na oba ye no and then obi address the issue of extradition terms between Ghana and USA. And what you say there be you. And someone hey, I tell you when you're okay, no. There be
go for you.
John Mahama campaign team say. They say Yaba no. The last $20 million are omunya free here. Monty they make a ye. Monty the ye. MP before question me musa na fa momo ho. Musa John Mahama ban say the last $20 million are on the year campaign onya free here.
Fire.
You musa question
you.
John Mahama mo here ya beto aba na John Mahama was na or you very fluid. Now opposition owo sika se kura de na eye nwanwa
It means that.
Idea wo mu ye nyina points to the fact say it looks like obi impese idea no ye be Ken Ofori Atta na mo de manfo no adwene edi agro and mechere di enti
Fire.
yanko ne yanko hwe attorney general yenti attorney general.
Principle of reciprocity applies, okay, and I would have been very happy to hand over Abutrika as I have done, okay, and then get Ofori Atta quickly in return. All right. But usually, the extradition proceedings take place in a court of competent jurisdiction.
Okay. Hold on.
Abutrika, as I have done.
Hold on. Attorney General, Jinaso Nayemusa question. Kovi. Mama Mr. General question. Or you see where they say, usually, the extradition process is not started in a competent court of federal jurisdiction. What is the most principal law here? Pass Obihuna. And they say, say, what's your money in area? Now we name jurisdiction of the court. What's your gukwa? It says, over file a case. That case in Uni Madia Manikosi saying, what Bene Manikosi saying? Now on the call the wrong court, what the Ayano, Brunisi or say, Enkase. Okasan was an extradition process. It starts at the competent court of a federal jurisdiction. TNU. Meanwhile, federal jurisdiction, Chrono. One fat hand. One Tibian can't say, Ubedu United States here. Federal District Court war a year United States here. A year 92. Uko do New York, for instance. Federal District Court in 3 New York. Your forum and venue selection. My file case. You cannot fight an extradition that does not exist. If it's an American from Extradition Act of 1960, Section 7, the ECA, United States, also file a federal questioning, file anyway. Now, Yentie,
to take a moment to announce that I have formally transmitted the request for the extradition quickly in return. All right. But usually, the extradition proceedings take place in a court of competent jurisdiction. In our case, that is the district court. All right. In the U.S., it will also be the federal district court. Now, mind you, the person who is the subject matter of extradition will fight it in court. Okay, so the American authorities won't just take my request and say, here you are, here is Ken Ofori Atta, and then here is, his other accomplished, and you take them, and then they can face trial. It will have to go through court proceedings in the U.S. All right, and I just got to know, that he has hired some of the top. Yesterday, I got to know that he has hired some of the top lawyers in the United States of America, very experienced lawyers, to, defend him. Now, I'm not afraid at all. All right, I am not afraid at all. But it means that there's going to be a fight in the federal courts in the U.S.
Attorney General, I am so sorry. You were a noble gentleman. Why are you deceiving the Ghanaian people? Ken Ofori Atta has hired some top lawyers. So first of all, extradition process, to challenge an extradition, there must first be a formal request from Ghana. Later, the timelines and data or the extradition procedure, you can clearly tell us a time like Ken Ofori Atta and lawyers, and Ken Ofori Atta can appeal to the circuit court. So go through almost state court and more federal court. Or more your friend is federal district court, circuit court, and some United States Supreme Court. Now go exactly. You can say extradition. Say federal district court or magistrate naswa. They all you have to say. Issue extradition certificate. TNU. By you read extradition section 1. I say a requisition for a surrender of a fugitive criminal of any country who is suspected of being in Ghana shall be made by the minister by a diplomatic representative or consular office for that country. The minister by order signified to a district magistrate that the requisition has been made and require him to issue this warrant for their apprehension. Now, sir, extradition process will go be. Benoka say the same reciprocity. Alright, or word was reciprocity.
Exactly.
Reciprocity, they say. Said the year towards extradition process. No, Sana US and so any delay. So Ghana year extradition Act of 1960, section 7. Or say who extradite will be Obiaba be bone. Over see a channel in the Kuni. The NC Edika yen say a year Nipo Nukromu ne diplomatic senka yen okuja to ablakwa. Ebe file abasi Ghana for more ready Panama. So US is almost the same. Extradition process is almost the same. Now, you ready we say US for now Ubeduha 18 United States Code section 3184. Or say whenever there is a treaty or convention for extradition between United States and any other foreign government, any justice or judge of the United States or any magistrate authorized, the key word here is authorized. So you cannot just sit down and allow any judge at all, any magistrate at all, to sit on an extradition process. General Tienier. So Attorney General Babeka Chere say, ya file Ken Ofori Atta high lawyers for na a lawyer for no more top class. They are fighting the extradition. It's a lie, palpable. Because first of all, you must tell us where Ofori Atta is. Because you can't just wake up and come and serve a year extradition process anywhere. It must be at the right a year federal district court. Federal district court, you know, so baby, a dipana or reno otie. Eti Attorney General for address na wonimuno of Ambrey. Eti Attorney General do Ofori Atta address in Breya. Ni ahunu so Ofori Atta to California, Ofori Atta to New York, Ofori Atta to New Jersey. It is our federal district court in the New Jersey, no. And one year file federal na many inquiries are the court nemra ni ready. So no suit. Oh my, so the idea that somebody is fighting extradition is not true. You ready? A year section 18, you ready? I say, may upon complaint made under oath, issue warrant for the apprehension. Social media. Govi, Mona Montia, no problem. Attorney General is lying to the people. They've said no US court is hearing any extradition case. Maybe extradition case in Omoyen, Ewahi. Attorney General, Dominic Ayini, why are you lying to the people? Seminoka say, Federal District Court to Bay and our file extradition process against Ken Ofori Atta, because you can't just wake up and file extradition process anywhere at all. So why is it? Now, Yenti Attorney General.
Former Finance Minister Ken Ofori Atta and his chef de cabinet, Mr. Ernest Dako Akore. You will recall that the Office of the Special Prosecutor investigated acts of corruption and corruption-related offenses by the former Finance Minister and his accomplices, and proceeded to file charges in the High Court of Justice against them. On November 19th, 2025, that is this year, my office received a formal request from the Office of the Special Prosecutor to initiate extradition proceedings for Kenneth Ofori Atta and Ernest Dako Akore from the United States of America. Following a preliminary review, our International Cooperation Unit observed that certain aspects of the request require clarification and enhancements to align with the applicable legal and procedural requirements. We communicated these observations to the Office of the Special Prosecutor via a letter dated 25th November 2025 and requested supplementary documentation to ensure completeness. On December 9th, 2025, the Office of the Special Prosecutor provided a requested additional documentation and address the observations.
So by December 9th, and I am not 22nd. So at what point file extradition
that we raised, thereby finalizing the extradition request packages. Subsequently, on December 10, 2025, my office transmitted the complete request to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs for onward transmission to the competent authorities in the United States of America. That is, in this case, the Department of Justice of the United States.
So the Department of Justice of the United States, so clearly you understand that a Department of Justice of the United States, and eventually issue a arrest warrant. So how did you manage to tell the Ghanaian people, say, Ken Ofori Atta hire a lawyer for, so among fighting the extradition process? Because you ready, sir? You ready? You ready now? I say if on such a hearing he deems fit, here we are talking about judge now, but national. He deems fit the evidence sufficient to sustain the charge under the provisions of the proper treaty or convention, he shall certify the same to the Secretary of State that a warrant may issue for the surrender of such a person. It's Attorney General, our lawyer Ninim say a banner extradition and your final decision of a court. So if extradition is just issuance of certificate, how did you manage to say that it is appealable? Because per section 3184 of United States Code, no, extradition is appealable. The only time a decision is appealable at the court is when that decision is a final binding judgment of a court. In some instances, when your lawyer when him say even temporary restraining orders and injunctions near the Quran and yet appealable at the court. How much more a certificate, magistrate, and a judge neighbor issue, and a wood and torture Ghana for one say. Ken Ofori Atta high top lawyers are they air fighting.
At this point, it is left to the American authorities, especially the judicial authorities, to make a determination on whether a sufficient basis exists for the two accused persons to be extradited to Ghana to stand trial. And because the matters have already been filed, and because they have been filed by the Office of the Special Prosecutor.
Filed where? Which court? Which judge? When was the hearing done? Filed where? Extradition cannot be filed at any just U.S. district court. Yes, I mean, you should give the people some, credit them with some intelligence. Eti Ken Ofori Atta ne address otehe. Ken Ofori Atta ne address no otehe. And I'm file a federal court. Now there is no appeal, no second hearing. If it's a judge, no, your magistrate court, no. Onye determines yes, he extradite Abu Treka. It's a certificate to be released near the NACO. But we try to the man for say Ken Ofori Atta will be fighting, going to the circuit. When you market some Ken Ofori Atta. And maybe some question said $20 million now money mo campaign. Last minute and away. $20 million away. Na ya chief Kenu. Woman chicken Ofori Atta no and chena. Why do you see a chicken Ofori Atta? It's a lie. It's a lie. Yan chicken Ofori Atta and chena. So why gonna you say? You're ready a year. Okay. Sorry. I'm back to Ofancha message I say Mr. X and Mr. Y I feel no more share your name. Or come Mr. X, Mr. Y, so still I don't want EPP and your what's your two. Now, Yarisha Adewi. When him say Adia Attorney General and Washada and war, yes, I be our best Ken Ofori Atta case, and make sure the India. Because as part of a year treaty conventions between a year United States, say o politicize Adia too much. A fugitive criminal shall not be surrendered if the offense in respect of which his surrender is requested is one of political character, or if it appears to the Court of National Liberation Council that the requisition of a surrender has in fact been made with a view to try or punish him for an offense of a political character. Tienio. Eti ade Attorney General ya de bia no ode abegina media mu a all fight Ken Ofori Atta onim pefe se mmara ne kase se ye kase obi mmra for extradition process. Na say nipa ne politicize ade any too much. United States will not give that person to you. So say, why are you lying to the people? I don't know which man for an intro. It's man for you, they are some opium. Or me say, ye media money diasem. Menoka said there is no extradition anywhere. Say me what? Wadarma Attorney General yesrewa for extradition, you know, court to crime file, you know, Fabra ni nyina enye. Why? Ye nyina enhwe. So it's a lie. No extradition. Bibia say anyhow. Attorney General ni twa motro. O twa motro. O twa motro pa.
Principle of reciprocity applies. Okay, and I would have been very happy to hand over Abutrika as I have done. Okay, and then get Ofori Atta quickly in return.
Now then, Abutrika, the one fighting case, you know, from Supreme Court, from District Court to Abutrika, or you decide and I'm going to call yes, sir. Now, yet me fighting extradition process up to a year Supreme Court level. So I believe that Abutrika would. So, Attorney General no Nkano correct.
Chirewadwe mame ewo comment section. Ayi Penyah Block Media. Akra.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas.